Today, we're going to walk you through how the rear seat occupant alert system works on your 2025 Ford Explorer, built to help remind you to check the back seats before leaving the vehicle. Here's what this feature does. When the system detects that a rear door was opened and closed before a trip, it monitors that event. Then, when you turn off the vehicle, it triggers a visual and audio reminder to check the rear seats. Before your trip, open and close one of the rear doors. That signals the system that someone or something may have been placed in the back. Drive as usual. When you turn off your Explorer, if the condition was met, you'll see a message on the screen and hear a chime or horn, depending on settings, reminding you to look in the rear seats. You can also adjust or turn off this system if you prefer. On the touchscreen, tap Settings, then Vehicle, then select Rear Occupant Alert. Here you'll see options such as Alert and Horn, Alert Only, or Off. Note, if you switch it off, you'll get a reminder every 6 months that the feature is off. Why keep it on? Because even when you don't think someone is back there, maybe a child, a pet, or something left behind, this system gives you that extra safeguard. And although it uses door logic rather than weight sensors, it's designed to prompt a check in the rear seats. Better safe than sorry. So there you have it, the rear seat occupant alert in your 2025 Ford Explorer. One small step that helps add big peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other how-to videos for your Ford vehicles.